high. Doing what I gotta do, you can call me that guy. That he ride, nigga, I glide. When I walk, yo, them bitches wanna talk. I run around here because I'm the shit. Shitting on a bitch, you nigga know she's a trick. I'm doing what I gotta do, slapping with my dick. Nigga trying to get rich, nigga, that's my fit. I'm like a glove, I run around with thugs. We doing what we gotta do, nigga know we mug. Me, gotta do what I do for cream. This nigga after the green, nigga know what I mean. I ain't chillin', nigga, I'm top billin', trying to get my fucking focus. These niggas, they living hopeless. These niggas know what they wrote, what's the fucking scope. I'm doing this shit, nigga, so legit, ain't pushing dope. These niggas can't talk, these niggas can't even walk unless they pay attention to the fucking ball. They don't even need to see how I'm just doing my thing. Every day I chill and nigga know I bang with the right fucking click. Nigga doing shit, nigga know.
Stop